This 5-minute solution will show you how to copy my Instagram profile link. So if you're trying to get your Instagram profile link, follow these simple steps and the process will be similar for Android and iPhone device. First of all, launch your Insta application and make sure to log into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile. Tap on your username. Copy your username. Then open up a browser and write instagram.com/paste your copied profile link. Tap on go and then you will jump into your Instagram profile here. So basically this is your link. Now tap on this URL bar, tap and hold on URL, tap on copy, and that's how you will get your Instagram profile link to share. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.